morning to everyone. In talking about Hilchot Tefila, we mentioned that the beginning time for prayer is Nitzach Hama. But what about the last time to pray? What's the last Sof Zman Tefila and Sof Zman of the Brachot of Kriyat Shema, because the two things are correlated, is the fourth hour. Until the fourth hour, a person could go ahead and he could pray, and it's still considered the time, the Zman of the Tefillah, where he gets reward for the Tefillah, and he gets reward for Tefillah Bizmana, at its proper time. What's the fourth hour mean? Fourth hour means that if you calculate, and here you have two different opinions. You calculate one thing everybody agrees on, the beginning of the day. You start from the beginning of the day, and you calculate how many hours there are from the beginning to the end of the day, and then you divide it into thirds. Because we have fourth hour, and there's 12 hours in the day, so you divide it into thirds. The first third of the day is Man Tefillah. After that, it's already considered after the proper time of Shmona Esrei. Does that mean that if a person forgot to pray up until the fourth hour, and now he's in the fifth hour, so he shouldn't pray Shachrit? He should still pray Shachrit. He still says, meaning the Shmona Esrei, specifically the Shmona Esrei of the Shachrit, he should still do. Why? Because until midday, he's still able to do Shachrit, but he missed the proper time of the Shachrit once it's already past the fourth hour. So how do we calculate the 4 hours? We said the beginning of the day, but what is the beginning of the day? The opinion of the Gaon Mivina is you go from sunrise. The opinion of the Teumat Adishin, the Magen Avraham brings us down, is you go from daybreak, Alot HaShachar. If you go from daybreak, that means the times are all going to be earlier. They're not going to be later. The times of sunrise, that's already a later time frame. When it comes to Tefillah, which is Derabanan, and Birkot Kriyat Shema, which are Derabanan, we rely on the opinion of the Gaon Mivina, meaning the Halacha follows the Gaon Mivina, that you have 4 hours from Nitzach Hama, from sunrise, and not just having the 4 hours from Alot HaShachar. Baruch Adonai Le'olam.